This query searches for patients who at some point in their history have been assigned diagnosis codes for asthma and for type 2 diabetes, but the two diagnoses could be separated by many years. For some queries, you might want to find patients who had the two conditions at the same time. To search for patients who are assigned two different diagnoses during the same clinical encounter, link the two query panels by selecting Same Encounter. Linking the panels by same encounter can also be used to filter by clinical setting or other encounter attributes. For example, by dragging inpatient visit into a new panel and then selecting same encounter to link with the other panels, this query will now find patients who are assigned diagnosis codes for asthma and type 2 diabetes during the same inpatient visit. More complex temporal relationships can be defined by clicking the When option to select a sequence of events. Once When is selected, two event panels are shown, with a bar defining their relationship in between. Here, the first event shows the term that was already included in this section, the diagnosis of asthma. Then drag type 2 diabetes to the Event 2 section. By default, this query is searching for patients whose first instance of Event 1, asthma, was recorded before their first instance of Event 2, type 2 diabetes. You can expand the relationship bar to view options for editing the relationship between events. Here, you can limit your search to the first, last, or any occurrence of each event, define the order of events, and specify any period of time between events. When multiple terms are added to either event, they are ORed together. This query will now search for patients who either had environmental allergies or asthma prior to being diagnosed with diabetes.